How to make money with Temu in 2025. First of all, I'm going to leave a link in the description so you can sign up for this program that I'm going to be showing you. And another really important thing is that this is available for certain countries. I'm going to show you which countries those are, specifically 21 countries. These are, as you can see here, the United States, Australia, Brazil, Colombia, Canada. We have Costa Rica, Chile, the Dominican Republic, Ecuador, El Salvador, Guatemala, Japan, Mexico, Malaysia, New Zealand, the Philippines, Peru, South Korea, Thailand, Trinidad and Tobago, and again, the United States. Although it's really the same as what was mentioned earlier, it's just updated rates. Uruguay. And these are the countries where you can make money with Temu. And the truth is, it's really simple and easy. I'm going to leave the link, as I mentioned, in the description of this video so you can sign up and get started. Over here, this platform, which is right here. The first way to generate income with Temu is by directly inviting people to sign up on the platform. How this happen? What's going to happen is that you just need to come here, and down below, you'll see coupons popping up. Completely free gifts, discount codes, exclusive discounts, and a big savings button. And what you need to do is simply share it on social media, through TikTok, through Reels, through YouTube videos, or any social network. Or even just in posts on Facebook and any social network where you can leave links or discount codes. A lot of influencers do this, and what they do is, for example, show things they've bought on Temu and say they have a discount code. And they put, for example, this code or they put this other code that appears below. And every time someone buys using your link, they're going to give you a commission. In fact, it shows up right here. It says that we get approximately a 20% commission on purchases made by people up to 30 days after registering with our link. And on top of that, if they download the app and log in, the Temu app will give us an extra $5. And then, when there are people who are already registered on the platform, if they have an account but still enter using our link, like this one, they're going to give us a commission between 5 to 20%. You need to unlock this directly by creating posts. What I was telling you about sharing. TikTok, videos, YouTube, and all that kind of stuff. Also, they've recently launched a new program, which is this referral race. What you can do is, if you make money with this, they can give you extra commissions. So every time you level up here, they're going to give you money. It can be up to $300 that they give you. And this is the first way to make money. Honestly, it's the easiest one. It's just about sharing the link. It can even be with your family, with your friends, or like I was saying, through social media. And to do that, you just click here where it says get money now. And here you'll see the text that you can copy and share. Now, remember that that appears here. It changes on the nation. So you can promote this that appears here. Not just in the 21 countries we saw earlier, but we can also do it in 77 countries. For example, Nigeria, Brazil, Turkey, Morocco, Azerbaijan, and several more that weren't there before. So it doesn't necessarily have to be just with the countries we showed. Before, really, we could almost generate money with any available country, so we can share our codes with people from the U.S. From Armenia, Australia, Austria, each with its own conditions. In the U.S. They give us a 20% commission under these conditions, but in other countries, they might give us a lower percentage or even a higher one. For example, look, in Nigeria, they give us up to a 30% commission, which is a bit more than in Brazil. The minimum they can give us is a 30% commission, so it's definitely worth it to share links with people from this country, especially those who actually buy using these codes. And these links won't charge them anything extra or anything like that. It's just going to share that money with us. Now, the second way we have to make money with Temu is in influencer mode. They have different campaigns that show up here. For example, inviting people to make money, like, for instance, this video, then Valentine's decorations and other things. So, what you can do is post about this on your social media. So, what you can do is come here and click on Join to Earn. So, I go here and it's going to tell me the conditions. So, I have to include the Temu links in the descriptions, maybe, in the videos, or on Instagram, or on TikTok, and directly join this campaign. For example, I just give it here, and then I click where it says send link. And when I create the content and they accept it, I can earn up to $250 a month, just for creating content. It doesn't matter if it's viral. It doesn't matter if it has a ton of views. What really matters is just uploading it and having them accept it. So for that, you need to clearly read the requirements here. It's important that you read this before publishing any content so they can verify it. And if everything is good, then they can generate that credit completely for free. Now let's go back here and check out the other options. For example, here we have a topic for Valentine's Day. Here, the conditions are going to be different. Look here. We have to create an unboxing about the content, and we can join each of these campaigns and make money with each one of them, if we want. For example, it says here that it's about comparing Temu with other platforms, and this way we can even create content and content ideas for our YouTube channel or TikTok, or whatever it is, and make money with that. This is for people who already have social media, like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or any platform where they upload content. Then we have the hot items option, which is for directly sharing product links. This is in case, for example, you have a group where you send discounts to your friends or family or even to strangers, and you all share promotions among yourselves. So you can search, for example, if someone is asking about a watch, then you say, "Look, I found this one." You click on where it says share and send the product link to the person. And if the person buys it, we can earn in this example up to $5.29. And that's how it works with all the other products that show up here. And you can actually search for a lot more right here. You can search for phone cases. So you click there, and you see that it shows up and tells you what commission you would be earning. Here it's like you're selling these products, but you don't even have to have them, because someone else sells them for you and you earn your commission. It's really easy and straightforward. Then we have the last option, which could be the same video. And if I, for example, invite people to register with my link, I share this link that shows up here, and you register and join. And log in with your social media. As it actually shows up here in the details, it could generate a bonus for me. For example, if you register and you're from the United States, and you have YouTube, and you have, let's say, between, 50K subscribers. So if you also have more than 100 videos, they could give me this over here. So between 10,000, 50K. Subscribers can give me $35 just because you register and join your YouTube channel. If you have more than 100,000 subscribers, it could generate. If you have more than 100 videos, they can also give me $70. This varies depending on the social media platform. Look, on Instagram, they give me $50, and on TikTok, they also give me $50. If you have more than 100,000 followers, if people from abroad, the currency will be converted. Say $10 from the U.S. And a person from Australia registers. They're going to give me Australian dollars, but those Australian dollars will automatically convert to US dollars. And I'm going to earn in the currency of my country that I have registered here. So here you can see country by country, for example, over here, Colombia, Canada. And simply if these people register, then I'm going to start making money just by them logging in with their social media on Temu. But also, if those people register and start inviting others and sharing the links, I'm also going to earn a 20% commission. For the people who buy through their links, then, I would be earning way more than I could be earning in other places. Personally, on this type of platform, I've earned around $2,000 to $3,000. But in other countries that I have set up here in the United States, I simply use this affiliate invitation program. And that's another important thing. Up here on the right, in this button, you can change the country for Temu and use the program from different countries if that's what you want. So, this is how in the year 2025, with a complete and updated tutorial, you can make money. With Temu, it's pretty easy and straightforward, from almost anywhere in the world in these 21 countries that you see here. And if your country still doesn't show up here, just wait. In a few days or months, check it out, just register, and over time they keep adding more countries. In fact, there used to be only about 6 or 7, and now look, there are already 21 countries.